friends, thank you so much for joining me this week. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my evening routine. I've just recently implemented, as you guys know, the Flylady system. I've always kind of had an evening routine in my home, but the Flylady system just, it just really works. And those of you who don't know, it's a couple of routines that you have to go through. So I have a morning routine, I have a couple of afternoon things that I do to just always make sure that the home is running smoothly, and then I have an evening routine. So the evening routine kind of sets you up for tomorrow. So my updated evening routine starts just before dinner, and then I pick out my outfit for the following day, and then I make sure that I'm cleaning up my dishes as I'm preparing dinner so that the dishes don't pile up in the sink, and I'm loading the dishwasher as we go, so that it's not too hectic. And then after that, when we're done dinner, I just help the boys clean up themselves, brush their teeth, and because they would have bathed before dinner, and tell them a story, and then it's kind of like me time. But start shutting it down a little bit. So I clean up the kitchen, and then one thing that the Fly Lady is always teaching is to make sure that your sink is always shining. It makes you feel accomplished. So I do not sleep with dishes in the sink whatsoever. It's one of those, I don't like washing dishes. I hate it actually. But then it's one of those things that after you're done, you're like, oh yeah, good thing I did that. So I clear up, and then it's me time. I just take some time to, take a quick shower. I like a hot shower before I go to bed. I play some spa music to just calm me down. And then I read a book. So currently I'm rereading Pursuit of God by A.W. Tozer. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.